Today I am going to show how these freshers can build strong LinkedIn profile and how to use this LinkedIn smartly to more visibility and opportunity and a real job calls. So let's begin step by step. Firstly, we go to this step 1. So optimize your LinkedIn profile. So start with your profile. This is your digital identity. So add a high quality headshot, like the clear face, clear background, and confident smile, and craft compelling headline. Example: men stack developer, React, passionate about this building scalable apps. So write a short and engaging summary. Mention your skills, your experience, your goals, your passion. That's it. So going to step 3, connect with purpose. Don't send a random connection request. Always send a short note. So stay connect with classmates, senior working professionals and recruiters, HR talent acquisition and industry people, and send a personal message like, sir, I'm a main stack developer, passionate about front-end development and would like to stay connected and learn from your post. So this increase acceptance by 5x faster. Going to step 4, turn on creator mode. Switch to creator mode to boost your visibility. It allows you add 5 topics you want to talk about and get more profile views and boost content professionally and grow your personal brand. So going to step 5, post regularly and stay engaged. Posting consistent help recruiter discourse you and post about what you learn and your projects, your certification and your career journey and your coding tips. And you can also start 30 days coding challenge and engage actively, reply to comments, respond to message, appreciate other people what they post and share insights. This build trust and increase your reach. Today I am going to show you how freshers can build strong LinkedIn profile. So I will guide you step by step. So firstly, we have to log in into the browser, and in this search bar, you have to search LinkedIn sign up. Then sign up pop-up will come. After that, it will ask mobile number or continue with Google. So if we click on mobile number, so it will send a code. If you return give the code, so this LinkedIn page will appear. Otherwise, we have another option. We have to go through this continue with Google. I choose this continue with Google. So confirm that and join and agree. You have to verify. I'm in right now in Bangalore, so it is automatically taking the Bangalore, Karnataka, India location. Okay, next click on this continue, and if you're a student, you can turn on this button on, and you can add this college, degree, and the field of study, specialization, and your passing year. Otherwise, if you're a professionals, you can add directly job title. For professionals, it is already have some designations, and so they can directly add, and your company name also they can add easily. So I will choose as a student, so I will add university as I have completed in Hyderabad my studies as a BTech. That is Jawaharlal Technology University, Hyderabad. And next in degree I have completed BTech. So if I go this a Bachelor of Technology I have done, and field of study, there is a specific field will be there for everybody in every degree or BTech. So I choose Electronics and Communication. I have completed Electronics and Communication Engineering in 2025. You can select which is your passed out year. Okay, click on this continue button. It is asking for, are you looking for a job? Yes. First of all, if I am fresher and I am looking for the job, you can click on first button. Otherwise, if any right opportunity will get, I will apply for that. You have to select first, second. Otherwise, just I am going to explore the LinkedIn. So you can select this third. But I'm a fresher, so I'm looking for the job. That's why I'm selecting as yes, I'm actively looking, and click on this continue. It will ask for a job title. So right now I have completed my front-end main stack full stack development. It is asking what kind of job might interest you. So job title we can give according to the technology you learn. So I have learned this main stack full stack development. So main stack means again front-end development, and job location. I will give this a front-end development, front-end developer, front-end developer, and location I will give in India. Right now I'm in India, right? So that's why. So it is asking as so if job notification will turn on, so it will suggest the same jobs related to front end development. That's it. Or you can add, if you don't add this all details is right now, you can click on this skip button. Then you can also add this all these details and later also, no problem. So I am going to click on this continue. Next, we are going to landing this in this LinkedIn page. So and the similar people are appearing on this. So how would you we can connect to them? I will teach you the step by step process actually. Okay, yeah. Say next. So click on this continue. So we are landing on this LinkedIn page, and for example, it is showing any interest. Your based on your interest feed, it will show the some pages. If you want to follow, so you can get the relative information about the JavaScript and any their groups related updates. That's it. So if you want to download this mobile application also, you can scan this QR code and you can download from Play Store. That's it. Yeah, finally we are in this LinkedIn page. So I will guide you the step by step process how to update our profile and banner and headlines, and how to give our projects all details, and how to post and how to connect with them, and why LinkedIn is very important in right now in 2025. So starting, we are going to this step one from this LinkedIn profile. So we have to add a high quality headshot in this profile, and next like a clear face and clean background and confident smile. Yeah, so shall we go to the first profile? You have to click on this file. So it is showing this different options. So you can edit, you can update new photo and frames. Also you can add background, and you can delete and you can add more. So I uploaded the photo from this my PC, or you can use your camera instantly, no problem. If your webcam is working good, or you can do this process through with mobile phone also, but you didn't get all clear picture about this. That's it. So I am adding. So I already mentioned some of these fields we have to consider. There is no any other selfie photo will be there. It is very professional looking, and if we wear with the shoot also, it is okay. Or when we go to the interview, how we can look ourselves, that photo we require actually here. Okay, so you can adjust this pic, and you can also use the filter adjustment as your comfort. Okay, and you can also change the background color also to look very attractive. So I finally updated that, and yeah, it is updated. And next we have this LinkedIn page. They will for any recruiter want to see your profile, they will see your banner. So we have to clear cut picture which technology we know. So recruiter easily they will find us, so which technology he knows by the banner. So we can download the banner from this browser, and you can add that. Okay, so I already downloaded, so I'm adding from my system. If you add this now, it is not looking professional, so don't use this all, because of if you look very professional, you can add which skills you are good at, then it will automatically attract to the recruiter. Okay, yeah, so I'm adding. So you can choose from your own, load single photo. So I know the front end part, that's why I chosen this banner to easily find out the recruiter. As I'm front end developer, I know this technology. Okay, you can adjust and you can crop, no problem at all, and click on changes, so it will be updated background. Okay, so yeah, this is a banner and photo we added. And next is, it is not a good way to showcase our headline, so we can change that. So you have to click on this pencil icon. Yeah, you can change your name later also. I just added normally. Okay, and your clear cut, you have to, first name will be what you pronounce, and this last name will be your surname. Look very professional. Okay, note it. And headline, yeah, you have to select here. So and next is headshot. Headshot means headline. Add headline very professional and very concise to get attract that he's very good at this technology. Okay, so I will give this as a my sample prompt. You can also search in the ChatGPT. It gives this best headlines. Okay, yeah, I'm passionate about UI and UX design. Then recruiter or other people, you know that your headline will be very clear. And industry, like yeah, I will choose software, and if you choose other also as your preference and as your skill set. And next is education, and you can also add this country and the city. You can also add other, as your preference, add new skills. So you can add, if you have other education details, like you can add the late 10th class or intermediate, you can add. But the suggestion is, don't add this. The last education is enough, like last graduation is enough to showcase your education details. And I'm click on the saving, it will be saved. So right now, going to the profile, click on the profile, you can see the detail. So we added profile photo. It's very professional. It will be look very good, and you can also add with shoot. It's look very professional. You can, and we are added this background of this banner. And next we changes the headline and the basic education details. We have done the last graduation and our city and country. That's it. I'm going to next this public profile and URL. It is showing as LinkedIn, our name and our surname with these digits. It looking not good professionally, because if anybody saw this link in when you add it in the resume, it will they easily identify as you're not a professional. So we can remove these digits, and it is only look like LinkedIn plus your name and your surname. So click on this pencil button, and you can remove these digits. Yeah, and you can save. It will be saved. Then you can check also later. Click on this home and click on this profile. Yeah, so let's see. So your public profile and URL, it is changed. It is only linkedin.com, your name and your surname. That's it. And next, we created account. We added professional photo, and we added strong headline. And next, about section. Yeah, so we can tell about ourselves, which technology and what are the technologies, and what you have done before this while learning this technology. So you can add about yourself. You have to add as a very precise and concise what you good at. So we go to this add section, and we can see this add about. Okay, so if you search the same content, what are the skills you can mention in the ChatGPT, it will give about yourselves, about what is you are good at. Okay, you can add that, and I will add you with the sample. Okay, let's check. I will also send some prompts how to ask to the ChatGPT, and we get this precise and concise information about ourselves. Okay, yeah, so I'm a passionate computer science graduate, skilled in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. I love solve real-time problems and through code, and continuously learning new technologies. So currently exploring front-end frameworks, open to internship and entry-level opportunities. So it looking very professional. If recruiters see this, then he knows that he's a entry. When recruiters see this, he gets some information about that he's a entry level, and he passed out here, and he knows is these technologies. That's it. So what we mentioned, it is very clear, and you can assume your LinkedIn profile as a digital resume. Okay, yeah. And next is, we added our college, but we also add our project. For example, if you have done any minor major projects, and you have any excited project you have done in your college time, and you participated in any workshops, you can add that. So in this add section, and yeah, you can add this, add position service, the career break, add skills, you can add later also, no problem. And I'm telling about this. Yeah, add license. For example, you have completed any courses in this Udemy or Coursera, any other MNC is also giving the free courses and certifications with license, you can add that. Yeah, I will add as a my project. So the project name I will give as a sample. You can add as your friends, like which have done in your previous graduation. Okay, before that, I have completed the AWS cloud system, and I developed this project. So I added the headline, and I will add also description to look very professional. Yeah, you can add up to 2000 words. You can add which skills are used in this project, and any documentation and presentation is there, and month, which month you have started, year and end date. It's very important, because they will see that how you are progressing. Okay, whom you are associated, universities. Okay, you can mention that, and save. You can add this other details also if you are eligible to add that. Okay, and I will show you that how to connect with this HRs. Okay, I will search as HRs names here. So he directly mentioned hiring front-end React, Next, Taiwan CSS, and this mentioned developer. His name is Sivanage, and this other name is Anusha, is there, Suchita Ghosh, Gopal Kirtan. These are this who are they hiring for the front end development, their HR. You have to connect to anybody. So how to connect? So let's connect to this Anusha. Yes. So directly don't go to connect, and don't click on this follow. So you have to, there is an option, click on the three button, and there is a connect option will be there. So in this, don't send without note. You have to mention as a note, because you need to make a connection very professional way. So you can add this. Okay, so I will show you the best way to add as a front-end developer. Okay, yeah, it is in 196 characters. So I added like my name is Jay, and I'm aspiring a front-end developer skilled in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript and React. I'm seeking entry-level opportunities. I am a fresher. I can write as an entry level. If any professional is there, they will write as a mid-level. Okay, and would like to connect and stay updated for opening. Thank you. So if we add like this note, so they will connect very easily and make connections, and there's a chance will be there to message you if your profile looking very good. Okay, yeah. So as a fresher, you can verify your profile with your mobile number to add your mobile number. And if you're a professionals, so they are working in any organization, so their organization ID, mail ID, get a notification about this when we add this, like I'm working at so and so company, and then confirm this same code. Then it confirms us that we are verified, this profile is verified, because he's so and so person working at this company. Okay, that's it. So right now I'm not doing this. You can do later, no problem. How to search our jobs? Next, front end, then developer hiring. You can search directly as jobs. Don't filter out as your preference, so it will show directly. So it is showing this company Infrabyte Consulting, remote or hybrid. You can do anywhere, and the salary package is 3.5, and job title is full time, and deadline in 7th November. Okay, so they mention all those skills and the package. Okay, it is looking like it is a for, they also mention as a for freshers. So you can connect as you can just click on this apply button and you can share your resume. So they given in one form about the positions. So you're a front end developer, right? So you can add the details, full name, mail ID, and contact. They will receive and they will you through this LinkedIn after that, and you can share your resume. If they like your resume, so they will connect you through interview call. Okay, that's a simple way to connect them. And you can also find this internship. So if you're a like anybody right now in college, they don't know how to get the internship. So if you get the internship before the any company, like you are applying for the jobs, it is very best way to showcase your profile. Like I have worked in so and so company as a front end developer. I have these skills, so I'm looking for this opportunity. I'm love to work in your company. So if you add these things in the before, so your profile matches 100% and you get easily job. I'm clicking on the front end development intern, so they'll mention this all things, how many months it will be there, and what are the requirements, and how they providing stipend also. So this kind of internship you have to do before you're in college. It is easy way to get the job after you graduate. Okay, so this way, and we can easily click on this apply, and we it will ask for the LinkedIn, ask for the resume. Once updated it automatically takes. If your resume as for this ATS score, and what are the headlines we can add as per this resume, then it definitely you get a job. Yeah, what is missing right now, so we can filter out. It depends on as a working professional or you're a fresher, according to which company do you want, and there is any vacancies, you can easily find out through this filter. And next, so you can go through it. Works, jobs, yeah, you get notifications and messaging if someone like your resume. Yeah, this is your profile. Yeah, you can add the skills, later technical skills, soft skills, your interest or project, education details, and experience if you have. And you can add this about is very concise level. Okay, yeah, that's it. I will show you another example of my own profile, how I can develop my. So before that, I will show this why it is very important, the followers, because in every day you have to actively engaging in this LinkedIn. To just you have to click on this connect button to seniors in this same field they are working. Okay, so everybody you have to give the request to them. So this pending means they didn't accept that. This then will when they accepted your request, and this request means is a connect with others. And the same when we choose in the Facebook, when we put a friend request to the friend, they will accept. The same thing it will happen, but for it is made for only professionals, only about the jobs and about your highlight. You can show your skills here. Okay, that's it. And what is left, another part, you can add also the post. For example, I will show. So you can write an article about this front end, and you can add photos about this what you learning every day. And you can add also 30 days challenge of your front end journey, and your job hunting journey also. You can also post the videos, and you can also post the updated your certifications. When we click on this audio, yeah, when we click on this media, so it will select directly from your laptop, and it will you can add this certification, and you can add something about the certification, how what's your journey, and you can add this hashtags also. I will show the one my profile, so I'm lagging on that. Yeah, so this is my professional LinkedIn dashboard. So I added as a banner. I'm right now working in a Wipro, so I added the banners to showcase which company I'm working in. And next, I added as a SAP ABAP developer. Right now I'm working in a project as a SAP ABAP developer. Highlighted that. You can also this any links like GitHub links and YouTube links you have. I added this, and my connections is 500 plus connections. So like anybody is recruiter showing that if more than 500 connection is there, then your profile will be very move forward, and they will make a connections, and you can hide very fast. So make every day 10 people to connect them. Your working professionals will be there, your friends and college mates, your teachers, anybody, that's not matter. So you can connect them, so you can build your network. Okay, so then your chance is high chances to get ahead very fast. So one of my friends also, they use the same techniques, and if then we can also message directly to this HRs which role we want. And I added the about section very clear, and my top skills, and every 2 or 3 days I'm posting something related to the my field and very useful to the people, okay, looking for remote jobs. And another option will be also there. I will show that. Yeah, repost. For example, I will showcase you about the repost. Yeah, I will show you the how to repost the same thing and to get more followers and to active in profile. So I will click on this repost and repost. So we can add something about this topic in this top and we can just post it. Okay, so this post will notification sends to our followers who are following us. So like that we can active in profile and get notice to these recruiters very easy. And we can check this profile viewers whom are seeing our profiles, how many people are getting the post updates and the impressions, so last 7 days. Okay, and who are the audience seeing our post. So the Greater India, Hyderabad, IT consulting and entry level people are showing us. Okay, so we can check our performance also. And the best way to start any challenges, coding challenges as a 30 days, and you can repost. And otherwise is any certifications are you trying to complete, you have to post it. When you are active in this LinkedIn, then recruiters see our profile, you are in active and you are at 10x faster, there is a chance to hiring. Okay, yeah, this is the way to repost. And we can also post what you have done. It will be the top button. Okay, we can post this. Yeah, that's it. And my colleagues, a lot of friends are there, so they also started these connections making with new recruiters, and they get ahead very fast rather than searching in other website. Okay, yeah, okay. LinkedIn hack you must know. Hack 1. Don't beg for the jobs in DMs. If you find HR's post about the hiring freshers, don't message, sir, I saw your post, I'm a full stack developer, is any vacancies is there. Instead of, you send a connection request with note, sir, I'm a Menstruck full stack developer, is there any vacancies in your company, kindly let me know, happy to share my resume. This looks professional and confident. So next, go to the hack 2. Profile must watch what you apply for. Before connecting with HR, add your professional photo, add your projects, certifications, tools and skills, and update education, add if you have GitHub link. So make sure your profile looks job ready before DM. So hack 4, use LinkedIn skill badges such as Python quiz and front-end quiz and SQL quiz in LinkedIn. So if you score well, you get a badge and it appears top of your profile. So recruiter trusts you more. So next, hack 5, turn on job alerts. So such as a front-end developer as a fresher, and turn on your job alerts. So LinkedIn will show similar job daily. So you will never miss a new opportunities. So my final advice is follow these steps, update your profile regularly and connect professionally and stay active. So remember, LinkedIn work for you when you work on LinkedIn. So all the best for freshers and working professional. Your job is closer than what you think.